What's up, everyone? Before we get into this, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Please hit that subscribe button and like if you enjoy the content. So what I'm getting into is building a drift car out of a early 90s 240 and a motor from an SC400 with some miscellaneous parts and bits from a Z32 300ZX. I have everything except the adapter and the clutch setup and drive shaft. Custom drive shaft will be needed, I believe. So those are the few things I lack. Everything else I've got already. I haven't had a chance to film it all yet, so this video won't show too much. We're just gonna get the engine torn down and cleaned up, ready for the rebuilt heads to go back on with ARP head studs and a multi-layer steel gasket. All new Toyota OEM timing components and water pump on the front to dress it all out. I'll be mix matching parts from a couple of motors I've got and just taking the best parts that I've got for this car.
Alright, well, without further ado, I think I'm gonna let the music roll and just tear into this one.
Yep.
these heads were so clean, it was ridiculous. I was so surprised. You never know what you're going to get when you buy an imported motor, which is what this was. I sourced it from Craigslist, but that's still what it was. You ready? I'm just putting all these back together finger tight now. These heads are going to go on the shelf for a while until I get ready to build the other one usually I have for my 4Runner. Stay tuned for more videos, and hopefully that 4Runner project will be coming up soon. Oh, quick, look busy, the boss is coming. the way, if you like the music, it's all made by a friend of mine. I will link his website in the description. He sells beats and also has some music of his own, so go check him out. If there's any weird glitches or anything in the video, I apologize. I'm working on getting a PC to edit with, but for now, I'm doing it all on my phone. Alright, well that's about it. The block is just about ready for the new heads to go on. Not new, but rebuilt. And I hope you enjoyed the video. This is by no means a how-to or comprehensive guide. I'm just bringing you along with me on the journey of figuring all this stuff out together. I'm pretty new to all of this and figuring it out as I go. And I thought I would bring you guys along. I enjoy a lot of YouTube content similar to this, and I thought it was time I gave back to the community. So let me know what you think down in the comments, and I will see you again in hopefully 2 weeks with another video. Thanks for watching.